Today we're here to do Access to Adventure. This is an event that highlights recreation, outdoor adventure, and resources for families of children with disabilities. We're inviting different performances, different providers of recreation. The library's here.
I'm the mom of 2 kids, and one of them is autistic. We're so excited to just see everyone who's here and get to experience some of these activities and just get to hang out in Tunnel Tops Park, which is an incredible, incredible place to be.
I'm also a Presidio activator, so I've been part of the first round of the Activator Council, who are working to make sure that Presidio Tunnel Tops is accessible to everyone and welcoming for everyone. And so my role has been really helping make sure that it's inclusive for people with disabilities. We know that recreation and being outdoors benefits everyone, but some people don't have as easy access. People with disabilities often don't have as easy access because of barriers. It's super important for people to be able to come here and experience this space and know that it is for them too. So yeah, come see it, come be in this place and experience it.
Come and check it out. It's such a fun day and there's so much to do here.